So Instagram is not showing you the reels in chronological order, or you can say not in the right order. The popular reels are showing at the top and you are not able to see the latest reels posted first, and this problem is annoying you. So first of all, you have to open up your app store if you are on iPhone for fixing this issue, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android and go to the search button and search here Instagram and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update this Instagram application by tapping on this little update button right here. If your Instagram app is not up to date, you may be able to see different options from me. That's why this step is mandatory. And after updating your Instagram application, now open it, and for example, I am on someone's page and the popular reels are being shown at the top. Now what you have to do is you have to tap on this reels icon and it will be check marked on most viewed option. You have to simply tap on this latest button and there you go. Now these reels are in chronological order and the reels that this person has posted recently will be shown at the top. And if you again want to see the popular ones at the top, simply tap on this icon again and tap on most viewed. So this is how it works. Instagram has added this feature. You can see the latest reels or most viewed reels according to your desire. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much.